Well, good Thursday afternoon to you. Y'all know who it is. It's Dan. I want to welcome y'all to my home in the sticks. Lord of mercy. Hope everybody's having just a fantabulous dang week. I know I am. I got some dang blueberry bush I had in these black pots right here. Had a few people tell me, you know what, Dan, you need to get them jokers in the ground. So that's what I'm going to do. Get them in the ground. All right, y'all, I done started digging this hole. Just kind of mapping it out where I'm gonna put it. What I'm gonna do is I wanna make this hole probably about 2 times bigger than a pot. Over here in Mississippi, we have this sure enough just red dirt. Let me go get this wheelbarrow. We're gonna see if we can get this hole dug before we lose light. And believe it or not, I actually transplanted these blueberry plants 2 or 3 times. So I'm gonna get to digging this hole and I'll turn the camera back on once I got it dug, and I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna do next. Okie dokie, let me show you. There's the hole that we dug. Here is the blueberry plant. And I wanna say that it is still alive because it's blooming and these things look fairly green. So we're gonna give it a shot and we're gonna see what happens. I don't remember what species of blueberries this is. It's been several years since we've had them and they have produced quite well. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use some of this mixture, soil mixture right here, to put in this hole right there. And the reason why I'm doing that is I don't wanna use, I may use some of my native soil, but that is pretty much sand and red dirt. And what I want to do is, when I put this stuff over here in this hole, I want to allow these roots on this blueberry plant to be able to get down into that soil and spread out and grow. Using my native soil might prohibit that. It might be too compacted and those roots can't get out and wander and do their thing. So let's get to doing that. Let's take a little bit of this and dump it off in there. All right, let's see if we can get this blueberry bush out of this container. Just gonna roll him around. Try to loosen him up a little bit and just yank him out. There we go. I think it still has some good roots on it. Let's send him on down in here and see what it looks like. Oh yeah. I dug that hole out. Dang, they're perfect. All I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna just take this dirt and just fill it on in. Tamp it down a little bit. All right, we got our blueberry bush in the ground. And I think it's looking pretty dang good, if I say so myself. We're gonna see. We are gonna see how this guy likes being in the ground. Now, blueberries like acidic soil or an acidic environment. So what I probably could have done, I probably could have added some brown pine needles or something like that in with the soil mixture, but hey, I'm just using what I have on hand and I didn't want to waste that soil. It was good soil. I'll put it together myself, so we're going to use that and it's looking pretty good. Now I have 2 of these guys that I need to put in the ground. I'm losing light real fast. It is about 1700 hours my time, so it's going to start getting dark here pretty soon. So I may work on that other one here tomorrow. The reason why I chose this location was because it is close to a water source. So I plan on giving this guy nothing but rainwater. And what I'm going to do is I'm probably going to get some utility hay and go and mulch this guy in real good. So I wanted to take y'all along with me over here at my home in the sticks, because I've been wanting to do this here for a while. Finally had a little time to do it. And I think it's going to work out. And we'll certainly just keep an eye on this blueberry plant, a blueberry bush. Make sure it's not going into shock or anything like that. And we'll see what happens. If you like the video, hey, give it a thumbs up. The thumbs up really helped me. If you haven't subscribed to the Homie Sticks channel, y'all need to come on over here and give me a look now, because I'm like always doing something. Really, I'm always doing something. And with that being said, you know what's coming. Old Dan is always gonna say, watch that thing hit me. I'm always gonna say it. Don't let nobody dull your shine. And I mean nobody. You get your shine on, especially when you're transplanting blueberry bushes. And we'll see you and y'all in the next video.